Let's take a quick walkthrough of the CureNatural app. When you enter the app, the first thing you see is your unique body type and whether any imbalance exists. Based on that, CureNatural builds a fully personalized wellness plan designed to help bring you back into balance. There are no one-size-fits-all routines. Your plan guides you from morning to night with personalized habits, food and drink guidance, physical activity, and mindful practices. You'll also see targeted herbal support selected specifically for your body type. Just tap any item in your plan to see what it does and how to use it. If something feels off, just add a remedy and choose focused support for digestion, skin, joints, stress, weight, hair care, and more. You'll also find mind and spiritual practices like concentration, energy work, sound therapy, and visualization. You'll have access to a complete food and supplement database where you can search foods based on your body type and save them to a grocery list for easy shopping. When you want inspiration for Ayurvedic meals, the AI chef creates personalized recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner based on your body type and food preferences. Whether you follow gluten-free, keto, paleo, vegan, yogic, or sattvic guidelines. You can track your progress in the app and retake your assessment each month. If your imbalance changes, your plan automatically updates. You also have the option to access Ayurveda courses if you'd like a deeper understanding. Start now by subscribing to the CureNatural app, then turn on notifications to get reminders and start bringing your body back into balance. This is precision Ayurveda in action, personalized to your body, your rhythm, and your life.